Snowman on duty, everything's free. Open for our grand opening of this cafe. Yeah, everything's free. Oh God, why are you so funny?
Yo, shut up.
Let's see. What's telling me? What do you want? What do you want? Turn on your freaking mic. What? What? I don't have anything. This is the only freaking thing I have.
Shut up.
Stop freaking killing me.
This is my world,
Beg you to let me.
and it is awesome.
Stop it.
Here, I'll show you around. Okay, here's my cave.
Stop freaking hitting me.
Here's my stuff.
Oh my God. I thought you. Stop.
Where's my sword?
Freaking.
I guess I'm gonna have to use this. I'm gonna need TNT,
Can I go up here?
and I'm gonna need.
Oh my.
Do I got any more swords? What happened to all my stuff?
Freaking kill me already. Do it. Me alone.
Snap. Why didn't... Quit teleporting. I want to take that power away from me when I keep on doing that. Get that orange. Got a dragon egg right next to me. Okay, come on. Well, I'm going to be destroying... Oh my God! Quit teleporting! Swear to God.
Quit on you! Crap! Oh! I just quit, dude. What? What do you want?
This is how you get lots of rest.
What the freak?
Kid, don't shut up.
Want me to... I can't dig because you took away my powers. That freaking candy pepper pack sucks.
God, this noob. I swear to God. You have to do some public trolling. Public trolling.
So can we just start on a... Turn your freaking mic on. Turn your mic on.
Oh my God, shut up. Where's this kid?
To make you dig? Stop! That's it, I'm quitting, dude.
Bye.
I'm kidding. Bye. It's a long.
Oh, I found it. Oh no. Found some diamonds. Sorry. I need to get my armor. Leave me alone. Hey, I need some sticks. Let me get back in there. I need some sticks. Okay, I'll be right back. Where's your furnace? Okay, I'm fine. Got a crafting table? Okay. Once I get my diamond armor, you can't mess with this. Oh, snap.
It got so fast.
Shut up. Does this build armor and food and everything? So I'm gonna get rid of all this bottle of enchanting. I don't even know why I had it. Okay. I'm gonna get me some steak, golden apples, and all that. I'm gonna get head armor. Coming. Well, see you in the next video. Like for the student.